The best air fryer dehydrator is not only a versatile appliance, but also provides you with many healthy homemade snacks. And with all the comprehensive reviews in this video, you will easily find for yourself the finest one. There are multiple air fryer categories, but not all air fryers can be effective food dehydrators. Thus, you'd better have sufficient knowledge about these devices in order to buy a proper one. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 air fryer dehydrators on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Gauai's USA 17 Quart Air Fryer Dehydrator. What is better than homemade beef jerky, right? So do not miss this useful dehydrator for jerky if you want to make these tasty snacks. Gauai's USA Air Fryer is full-set cookware that allows you to dehydrate foods from 1 to 24 hours within a temperature range from 90 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Including 5 racks with various accessories, you can create a bunch of healthy snacks with fruits, veggies, or jerky. On the other hand, it is also a powerful air fryer to bake, roast, toast, and rotisserie a whole chicken. Or you can choose its 8 automatics presets and let it transform your foods into delicious delicacies. Key features: designed with 5 racks to dehydrate many foods, touchscreen display for higher convenience, have 8 cooking modes, big 17-quart cooking space. Number 2. Kazori 32 Quart Air Fryer Dehydrator. Kazori 32 Quart is an ideal air fryer with a large capacity. And it is a life changer for anyone who loves to throw a party or potluck because of its huge capacity. With 12 automatic presets, it also offers the easiest cooking environment, limiting the correct time and temperature estimation. What's better? You will be pleased with its high-tech smart control via phone to monitor the cooking process, control degree, timing, etc. Moreover, you can check for other 100 recipes on the Bessing app when you do not know what to prepare for breakfast, lunch, dinner. However, if you think a 32-quart model is too much, you can check its smaller one like the 26-quart Kazori air fryer with 11 presets and a lower price. Key features: 12 convenient program presets, decrease up to 85% oil, large capacity that can feed for 5 to 7 people, can hold a 13-inch pizza or a whole chicken, smart control that you can use your phone to monitor and set up, save more cooking time. Number 3. AMO 17 Quart Air Fryer Dehydrator. AMO is the hands-down air fryer toaster oven combo with a dehydrator function. So what makes it so special? It is a family-sized device that you can feed 2 to 9 people. You can accommodate a whole chicken or a pizza inside it. Moreover, the 8 pre-programmed modes allow you to prepare meals with just a touch. No fuss, no muss cooking, isn't it? This AMO appliance also comes with 6 free accessories to improve the preparation as well as the final result of your meals. Key features: extra large 17-quart capacity, LCD display for clear reading and choosing, designed with 8 presets, 85% less oil than other traditional frying methods thanks to the 360-degree air circulation technology. Number 4. Ninja OP302 Foodie 6.5 Quart Air Fryer Dehydrator. There are differences between air fryers and pressure cookers, but how about the combination of them for an outstanding air fryer pressure cooker? If you opt for Ninja OP302 Foodie, your culinary ideas will be upgraded. There are 9 functions in this machine, so if you find these options fit your cooking style, why hesitate to get one? In addition, it includes 14 safety features to increase your confidence when cooking. With a non-PTFE PFOA basket, your foods will come out healthy and tasty. Key features: have 9 cooking programs, reduce 75% fat with the air frying mode thanks to TenderCrisp technology. The 6.5 quart ceramic inner pot is non-stick and free from PFOA PTFE. 14 safety systems. Number 5. Emerald Lagasse Power 360 Air Fryer Dehydrator. If you love rotisserie dishes as much as I do, let's give this Emerald Lagasse Power 360 appliance a shot. This is one of the best liked air fryers with rotisserie in the market, and I am pretty sure you will be a happy customer. Besides the rotisserie function, there are other options like baking, dehydrating, air frying, toasting, roasting, broiling, reheating, slow cooking, pizza, and bagel. So do not limit your dining ideas when using it. On the other hand, the 360-degree turbo airflow technology will ensure your chicken will come out with a perfect crispy yet tender texture and a stunning golden appearance. Key features: work 40% faster than normal convection ovens, equipped with turbo airflow technology with 360-degree air circulation and 5 heating elements, 12 cooking modes, XL capacity with 930 cubic inches to hold a whole chicken, include a useful rotisserie accessory set. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.